How to fix card not adding to Apple Wallet. First is to make sure that you have added the correct information under your card right here. So whenever you click on add card and then you input your information, make sure that your name, the card number, the code or the security code on the back of the card is correct. And then if you have make sure um, that the information is correct and it's still an error, then you need to go to your general right here and go to date and time. Make sure to set your time to automatic since there will be a problem if you don't have set your time automatically. So again, go back to the add card option and then again, if it still doesn't work, then go back to general. Make sure to update your phone or your iOS. Make sure to click on download and install. And again, try adding your card once more. If you still have a problem adding your card after this one, then make sure to go to your nearest Apple or Mac Center for more assistance. So that's it. That's how you can fix card not adding to Apple Wallet.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.